To transfer DaVinci Resolve keyboard shortcuts between computers, open the DaVinci Resolve app, enter a project, and then in the top left corner press the DaVinci Resolve button. In the drop-down menu, select Keyboard Customization. From there, press these three dots, and if you haven't already, save as a new preset. Then name it and press OK. After that, click on the three dots again and press Export Preset, and choose the preset you want. Then save the file. Now you need to transfer it to your second computer. The easiest way to do that is to use a USB drive or send it via apps like email or Discord. To use a USB drive, just plug it in. Drag and drop the file onto the drive. Unplug the drive and plug it into your second computer. Now, transfer the file to a safe place on your second PC. To send it via an app, just drag and drop the file into your send box. Then press send. On your second computer, download the sent file. Now on your second computer, open the DaVinci Resolve app, enter a project, and then in the top left corner, press the DaVinci Resolve button. In the drop-down menu, select Keyboard Customization. From there, press these three dots and press Import Preset. Find the file you just saved, select it, and press Open. And now you have your keyboard shortcuts on your other computer. Subscribe if this was helpful. To see how to update DaVinci Resolve to the latest version, click here. Thanks for watching, have a good day, live a good life.